Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to welcome you back to Mr. Geiss's video classroom. I wanted to just review a little bit about this thesis paragraph for your identity essay. First, you have to grab the reader's attention, and this is done by embedding a fact or a piece of information or a quote about identity. Now, this quote right here, the one written in red, is taken from the resource, How Do You Define Yourself? You can see that it's embedded because all of this information that is highlighted here, when people do something bad, others claim that they are bad people. But this is the student's thought embedded in this example. Okay? Now, my next suggestion after that would be to actually compose your thesis statement. This is a little bit out of order, but it will provide you a finish line for your narrowing. And you need to have two claims. Number one, a strong relationship with parents and honest values are most important in creating a strong self-identity. These two pieces have to be specific to you. What makes you who you are? What makes you the person that you are right now? It could be an activity, an interest, a value, a person, a group of people, but what makes you who you are? Once you establish this thesis, which is the last sentence of your thesis paragraph, then you can go back and narrow it, and it's providing you with a finish line. Now, this entire thesis paragraph is going to be written in third person. Okay? I would like for it to be in third person. It could be in first person, but that's not the assignment. We're working with third person for this paragraph. Okay? Now you can see that who people are includes personality traits, social group that are important to them. Identity can be, quote, formed in a number of ways, but is particularly influenced by interactions with important people. This leads to this. There's a connection there. Important people, it's even stated again here, okay, can teach strong values that will help in life. Now, these strong values, we're not going to write about all of them. We're just going to focus on honesty. So it's literally like a funnel. It's becoming more narrow as we get to the thesis statement. Okay, and I'll draw a makeshift funnel on the side. And this thesis is the very specific part that you are writing about. Now, once you have your thesis statement outlined, stated, it leads to the body paragraphs. So you take the thesis, a strong relationship with parents. That directly relates to the topic of body paragraph 1. Okay, spending quality time with my mom and dad helped shape my self-identity. This paragraph is in first person. Okay, get this written here, nice and neat. Okay, now once you state your topic sentence, you have to provide specific examples of what were you doing in terms of quality time with mom and dad. Where did you go? What were you doing? How did it affect you? You have to be very specific with events from your life. And secondly, honest values. That's the topic of body paragraph 2. You see how it's written? 1, 2. It's going to follow that order in your body paragraphs. Treating people honestly is important to me. Again, first person. Now, you have to have specific examples of when you treated people honestly. Why was it important? Why did you do it? Where were you? But it has to be very specific to your life. I need to get to know you on this. So this is an outline where it goes from your thesis paragraph to your thesis statement over to your body paragraphs. It's literally a map. The thesis statement will provide a map for your entire essay. I hope that this helps. A number of you were asking for this presentation. Do your best with it. We're going to start typing it up tomorrow on Tuesday, editing it, revising it, and publishing it. So do the best job that you can. I hope this helps. Have an awesome evening tonight, guys. Stay dry, stay cool, take it easy. Goodbye.